So this is Roma Norte, a really famous neighborhood or el barrio in Mexico City. It's known for having quiet, tree-lined streets, being clean, and let's face it, it's where the rich people live, which is usually why you have tree-lined and quiet the world over. Why are rich people always in their own little bubble everywhere in the world? But there's a beautiful grit and charm to this part of Mexico City as well. Oh, I love seeing these old VW buses. How cool is that? The other reason why Roma Norte, if you're thinking of staying in this neighborhood, is good is its proximity to the other great neighborhoods in Mexico City, like La Condesa, Polanco, and then the Roma Norte of the south. Excuse me, the Roma neighborhood of the south. Norte means north, so that didn't make any sense. But I love these old colonial looking homes. The front of the buildings is beautiful. Grupo Modelo Mexico. That must be the beer company. Like a lot of places in Latin America, phone snatching is a problem, so I need to be on my guard. But I make these videos for you, of course. That's the whole point of them, so I take the risk. What I'm saying is I don't necessarily recommend that you do this. Although a neighborhood like Roma Norte is safer to be doing this, there's still always that risk. Selling chicharrón. I love seeing an old air-cooled VW Beetle like this. That is iconic Mexico. I seem to be in the parking lot of a medical clinic. Okay, back out to civilization. Some Day of the Dead art. Selling fruit, looks like watermelon. These are the iconic pink taxis of Mexico City, but I prefer using Uber because that way I can track the price and make sure that they don't play any games. Actually, even with Uber, they sometimes do. The good thing about Uber, though, is if your driver took a route they weren't supposed to, there's a button and you can just click it and then they'll instantly refund you. Okay, I'm hooking a right off that main road because there was a school getting out, and around the world, as you can imagine, they don't like you filming kids getting out of school, so I try to avoid that, to avoid problems. Look at some of these apartments. These are really nice. I think Papeleria is kind of like an office store. I'm filming this in October, so the weather here is cool and dry because we're at about 7,000 feet. And there is a rainy season, but it ends in September. But every morning starts off the same in Mexico City. On the colder side, maybe in the 50 degrees Fahrenheit range. And then by midday in the bright sun, it's up in the 70s. And you don't think of it when you're in a climate that's cooler, but you do need to wear sunscreen here. Wow, look at this car I just happened upon. I believe this is an honest to God 57 Chevy, or possibly 55 or 56. I never can quite tell. Yeah, that is a Bel Air Chevy. That is iconic, and you can see that it's been painted by brush. Give me a moment, just taking some photos of this while making the video. That reminds me almost like something you would see in Cuba, because they're very into the vintage American cars, as you know, and then hacking them and piecing them together with old parts and doing things like painting them with house paint and that kind of thing. But Mexico can be similar sometimes in that regard with the old cars. It's possible that in this video, there's been times when I've left the Roma Norte neighborhood. I'm not positive because I'm not tracking this on a map. But if you know, feel free to write that in. Another beautiful old car with white walls. Not sure what that is. Maybe it is a old Impala, not positive. If you know, put it in the comments. I'm going to wrap the video up here. Put what you thought of Roma Norte in the comments.